When you eat sugar, your body's response is rapid and unexpected. Within 30 minutes, collagen fibers, crucial for skin elasticity, begin to stiffen due to glycation. Glycation is a process where sugar molecules attach to proteins like collagen, forming advanced glycation end products, AGEs. Contrary to the belief that sugar is merely an energy source, these AGEs can weaken your skin's structure. Collagen's tensile strength decreases, accelerating the appearance of wrinkles. A study in the British Journal of Dermatology found that higher blood sugar levels correlate with older-looking skin. The impact of sugar on your skin isn't just superficial, it's deeply structural. Many assume that diet sodas are a guilt-free way to avoid sugar's pitfalls. Yet, artificial sweeteners like aspartame can indirectly age your skin. Within 30 minutes, these compounds disrupt your gut microbiome, reducing beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus. This imbalance can trigger systemic inflammation, a hidden contributor to skin aging. Inflammation accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin in the skin. A 2018 study in the journal Nature reported that imbalanced microbiota can increase inflammatory markers by 40% within hours. The cascade set off by artificial sweeteners has far-reaching effects on your body's largest organ, your skin. Trans fats are often vilified for heart health, but their impact on your skin is equally profound. Within 20 minutes of consumption, trans fats can integrate into cell membranes, altering their natural flexibility. This rigidity impairs nutrient exchange and cell communication, crucial for maintaining skin vitality. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets high in trans fats correlated with a 30% increase in skin inflammation markers. Unlike the quick energy boost fats typically provide, the cellular changes from trans fats create long-term disruption in your skin's youthful appearance. The invisible transformation happens with each bite. Alcohol's immediate impact is dehydrating, but the deeper consequences extend to accelerated aging. Within an hour of consumption, alcohol reduces levels of vitamin A in your body, a key nutrient for skin repair and renewal. Vitamin A works to combat oxidative stress, a major factor in skin aging. The Journal of Dermatological Science highlights that alcohol consumption can decrease skin elasticity by 10%, primarily through oxidative damage. This misconception of alcohol as just a dehydrator misses the internal oxidative turmoil it creates, leaving your skin more vulnerable to wrinkles and sagging over time. High glycemic foods like white bread are often overlooked as aging accelerants. Ingest these, and within 30 minutes, your blood sugar spikes, triggering an insulin release. This hormone, while essential for sugar metabolism, also stimulates excessive oil production in the skin, potentially leading to acne and inflammation. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition notes that a high glycemic diet can increase acne prevalence by 50%, a reflection of internal inflammatory processes. Instead of being benign, these foods set off a chain reaction that can age your skin prematurely, beyond just their caloric contribution. Inside your body, sugar undergoes a biochemical transformation that affects your skin. Enzymes break sugar down into glucose and fructose, both of which can lead to glycation. This process involves a reaction between these sugars and proteins like collagen, producing advanced glycation end products, AGEs. AGEs interact with skin cells through receptors called RAGE, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress. A study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation revealed that AGEs amplify inflammatory signaling pathways by 30%, damaging skin structure. The molecular dance between sugars and your skin's proteins sets off a cascade that accelerates visible aging. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame trigger a unique hormonal response. When consumed, they can alter your gut microbiome composition. This shift impacts the production of short-chain fatty acids, crucial for immune regulation and inflammation control. These acids influence cytokine levels, signaling molecules that can exacerbate skin aging. A 2020 study in Cell Reports highlighted that such microbiome changes could increase pro-inflammatory cytokine production by 25%. This imbalanced communication within your body's ecosystem has profound implications for skin health. The unseen microbial shifts wrought by artificial sweeteners ripple outward, aging your skin from the inside. Trans fats integrate into your skin cells, changing their biochemical landscape. Once inside, they disrupt lipid rafts, microdomains critical for maintaining cell membrane fluidity. This disruption affects signal transduction, impairing skin cell repair and regeneration. A study in the Journal of Lipid Research found that trans fats reduce membrane fluidity by up to 20%, compromising cellular resilience. The alteration in lipid architecture hampers the skin's ability to repair itself and respond to environmental stressors. By embedding themselves into the fabric of your skin cells, trans fats quietly undermine the structural integrity crucial for youthful skin. Alcohol exerts oxidative stress through metabolic byproducts like acetaldehyde, a compound your liver struggles to neutralize efficiently. This compound can react with cellular components, forming reactive oxygen species, ROS. ROS can damage lipids, proteins, and DNA within skin cells, accelerating aging. A 2021 review in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology showed that ROS can increase skin cell apoptosis rates by 15%. The oxidative cascade initiated by alcohol disrupts normal cellular function and accelerates aging. The invisible chemical storm that alcohol creates within your body translates into visible wear on your skin. High glycemic foods influence insulin signaling with cascading effects on skin health. Insulin increases androgen production, hormones that can amplify sebaceous gland activity, leading to excess oil and inflammation. The Journal of Endocrinology reported that elevated insulin levels can boost androgen synthesis by up to 35%. This hormonal shift causes changes in skin texture and can exacerbate acne, creating a cycle of chronic inflammation. The hormonal turmoil set off by high glycemic foods isn't just skin deep. It reprograms your body's internal balance, accelerating skin aging in ways that are as intricate as they are impactful. Chronic consumption of sugar-laden foods accelerates skin aging far beyond initial glycation. Over time, high sugar intake leads to persistent elevations in ages which accumulate in skin tissue. This accumulation causes your skin's extracellular matrix to stiffen, reducing elasticity and resilience. A longitudinal study in The Lancet reported that individuals with sustained high blood sugar levels exhibited skin aging signs 30% earlier than those with balanced levels. The long-term wear from sugar is both visible and structural, deeply embedding itself into your skin's very foundation. Sugar's persistent presence in your diet can transform youthful skin into a roadmap of fine lines. Artificial sweeteners, when consumed regularly, can lead to chronic gut microbiome dysbiosis. This state of imbalance perpetuates inflammation, a key driver of skin aging and numerous health issues. A 2022 study in gut microbes found that prolonged exposure to aspartame reduced beneficial gut bacteria diversity by 40%. The continuous inflammatory signaling from your gut keeps your skin in a state of perpetual stress. The underestimated impact of artificial sweeteners compounds over time, marking your skin with the invisible scars of inflammation. Their presence in your diet extends beyond calorie-free indulgence, shaping your skin's future resilience. Long-term consumption of trans fats doesn't just alter skin cell membranes, it also impacts systemic inflammation and lipid metabolism. As trans fats accumulate, they exacerbate chronic inflammatory conditions. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that diets high in trans fats increased C-reactive protein, an inflammation marker, by 25%. This persistent inflammation accelerates the breakdown of collagen and elastin, essential for firm skin. The insidious nature of trans fats lies in their ability to embed themselves not just in your cell membranes, but in your body's long-term inflammatory pathways. Their legacy can be seen in every wrinkle carved into your skin. Chronic alcohol consumption depletes your body's antioxidants, leaving your skin vulnerable to oxidative damage. Over time, this depletion accelerates the formation of wrinkles and sagging. A 2020 report in Dermatologic Therapy highlighted that regular alcohol users showed a 50% reduction in skin antioxidant levels compared to non-users. The cumulative oxidative stress from alcohol strips your skin of its natural defenses. This persistent assault on your skin's integrity becomes increasingly evident with prolonged exposure. Your skin loses its youthful glow, replaced by the unmistakable signs of chronic oxidative insult. Alcohol's toll on skin is both relentless and visible. High glycemic diets, when maintained over time, can create an enduring hormonal imbalance. Elevated insulin leads to sustained increases in androgen levels, perpetuating acne and inflammation. A comprehensive study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found a 40% increase in androgen-related skin issues in those with high glycemic diets. The hormonal chaos becomes etched into your skin as chronic inflammation accelerates aging. The glucose-insulin cycle's long-term effects are not just in blood sugar management, but in your skin's premature aging process. The future of your skin's health can be traced back to the glycemic choices you make today.